Hi everyone, real quick video today, and all I'm doing is changing my mirror indicators because that one is broken and it has never worked since I've owned this car. So that was the passenger side, but on the driver's side, this puddle light has always been a bit like temperamental. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but now it's completely stopped working. So I'm going to have a look at that, see if it needs fixing or just see if it needs fully replacing. I have got some aftermarket LED bulbs, and the only reason why I've got these aftermarket ones is simply because I think somebody has already changed the puddle lights on the car in the past. And in here I've got genuine indicators, or turn signals as some people may call them. Even though it's only one that needs replacing, I am going to replace both of them at the same time, and I'm going to do the same thing with the puddle lights. The first thing I do is insert a trim tool into the cover cap. This will release two clips. Once unclipped, I lift up with one hand and pull towards me with the other. Next, I insert my fingers behind the mirror as close as I can to the center, firmly pull out and it will unclip, and then just disconnect the heated mirror wires. Now I use a pair of pliers to pinch the two clips that hold the glass frame trim in place. Once this is done, just slide the frame out. Next, unscrew the 3 Torx 10 screws that hold the adjuster motor in place. With this moved, I can now get access to the 4 Torx 10 screws, 2 of which screw into the mirror frame and the other 2 screw into the turn signal. With the bottom base trim out of the way, I can now remove both the puddle light and the turn signal. Okay, so I have, this is the one that was on the car already, and it looks like it's a bit worn compared to the new one, but it looks like it's pretty much the exact same thing. Installation is the reverse of how we took it all apart, and I start with the puddle light. I now assemble the turn signal and the bottom base trim, and then screw the 4 Torx 10 screws back in place. Now I screw the 3 Torx 10s into the adjuster motor to fix that back into place. Next, I fit the glass frame trim, followed by the cover cap. Connect back up the heated mirror wires and push the glass back in place, making sure to press firmly all around. So now I have done this one, it's time to do the other one.
When I look at the sun going down to the sky, all I want is to be there ideas will pop up with a new, different wind. I'm gonna let it take me to people that will trust me. I've been stuck inside my house too long. Can't stand being all alone, wasting hours on my phone. I'm ready to go now. On my way, I won't let fear hold me back. It's here to stay. On my way, all of my dreams are now a step away. So here I am, about to explore. I feel I must like never before. I'll take a chance on reaching my shore. My heart is full of hope, I'm on my way, and I'm on
That is pretty much the end of the video. I managed to do this without actually breaking any clips, and to be honest, I'm quite happy with it. It is a little bit fiddly, but once you've done one of the mirrors, the other one is pretty straightforward. That is it. New turn signals on both sides. Even though they're only subtle things, it just looks a tiny bit better. And new puddle lights, as you can see, both of them are working there. Some people call these puddle lights also the ones down here, so I'm curious to know what are puddle lights and what aren't. 100% happy with that. I've been meaning to do that job for a very long time, and I've only got round to doing it now. So anyway, please like, subscribe, comment and share, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.